standing here because there's so many different birds. I probably won't be able to see any of them. I've just seen the blue tits. But I don't think you'll be able to see any of them. There's a jackdaw up there. You can hear there's lots of different birds. Someone right over there on the right. It's probably a sparrow. Now, what's that? I might just take my glasses off and see if I can see. Oh, that's a starling. I can't zoom in anymore, that's the trouble. But I saw the blue tit up in the, like where I've got dead centre with the greenery. That's where I saw the blue tit. But there's so much fluttering around. Seagull. Yeah, we do get the odd seagull. They don't come in the garden though. They just fly past. You can hear robin. Oh, lovely robin. You just see the sparrows flitting about. It's just alive, isn't it, a garden? It's like it's alive all the time. There's movement and sound. It's just a bubble of activity. So much going on in there. And of course with spring coming, they're pairing up. You know, it won't be long and they'll be building nests. I don't usually find a robin's nest, so I haven't had robin's nests for years. They have nested in the garden, but the last couple of years I haven't found the nests, and I didn't see them all spring, so I don't think they nested in here. Maybe because they know there's cats about. I thought that was something on the fat balls, but I can't see anything. You know, sometimes I glance up and it's just, oh, what's that? Like the little coal tit. It's a flash of black and white and it's tiny. I can't see anything in particular. But I just love to stand here sometimes and just try and pick out who's in there. Okay, can't really see anything, but hope you're having a good afternoon.